Welcome, students, to this first lesson of the year about the parts of speech. In this first lesson, we're just going to take a look at two parts of speech, the noun and the article. Now remember, for every word has a function in some way in our speech, and with some words, the function stays the same every time it is spoken or written. But with most words, the function can change depending on how it's being used. Here are those parts of speech. You might be familiar with them if you've done Montessori before. If not, this is just a quick introduction to those parts of speech. And today we're just going to focus on those first two, the article and the noun. A noun is a naming word. A noun can name a person, place, thing, or an idea. It can name a person like Mayor Melvin Carter, the mayor of St. Paul. It can name a place like our city of St. Paul. A noun can name a thing like a school. And a noun can name an idea like friendship. That symbol, that black triangle, is the symbol that we use to symbolize any kind of noun. There are some variations in some ways that we can change the symbol a little bit, but for now we'll keep it simple. Another part of speech that we are going to look at is an article. An article is a word that defines a noun as specific or unspecific. Let's take a look at what that means. A garden. That would be unspecific. It could be any garden. It's just a garden. That does happen to be the J.J. Hill Garden. An iceberg. There again, it could be any iceberg. It's just an iceberg. Or we could be a bit more specific. We could say the school. Which school? The school. J.J. Hill, Montessori. All right. So lastly, if you haven't gotten your language notebook open to the next clean page already, go ahead and do that now. And we're going to spend some time preparing a table like this one with a column for different articles and a column for different nouns. Your work this week for grammar is going to be simply to complete a list of an additional, we'll say, shoot for at least another 6 or 10 articles and nouns that match. Notice on the left under the articles that I have a, an, and the, and the. Might be good to keep that pattern up just to try a variety of different articles to go with your nouns. You'll see below in this lesson, underneath the video, there's a material called, parts of speech materials. When you click on that, there will actually be a Google slideshow that looks kind of like this that you can actually move around, and there's some more activities that you can do with that. So make sure to check out that other video. Otherwise, let me know if you have questions, and I hope you enjoy the work.